you go. Yeah, this is the official unveiling of the FinMaster 2026 edition. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes.
Let's unbox this thing.
Let's go, let's go.
All right.
And we just got it yesterday.
Our first look too.
Cheap, faster. Not recycling the baby.
Okay, you open it. Oh, it's looking nice.
It's got that matte finish. Everything's clean. Oh, I'm check if the QR code works.
Oh wow, imagine. Where does it go?
Boom. It goes to the website with all the different links there.
Nice, which we still need to build before your product goes live.
Let's jump in.
All right, okay. Got some rules. They're looking good. Nice.
Rule book, no?
Yeah, that's the rule book. Jargon Buster booklet for all the knowledge. Okay. Our quick reminder rules. Nice, nice, nice. Elijah's busy doing a quality assurance there. Ooh, look at that board. That is clean. And they did the fold to the right side.
Dope.
Nice. Okay, so let's put that.
Yeah, and open that.
Alrighty. Okay. Timer.
1 minute. So let's see if we can open this stuff in 1 minute, chick.
Okay. Pressure. Help me then.
No, don't rush, but like the dice,
Some dice.
wooden dice.
Yes.
Nice.
For the environment.
Sure, that was the inspiration for it.
And then what's cool about the 2026 edition is the money tray actually comes out of the box and it stays like that. But we can put it this side now. Some nice pieces. Okay.
Tell her your stuff.
All right, we've got event cards. Wow, this is clean. I wasn't a smoker, but you know, it gives that vibes. This feels like a real game, guys.
It is a real game. Oh, what?
I know, right? And the quality, the print quality is so crisp. Event cards. All right, let's see the assets.
Thank you.
Wowie. Look at that die cut.
Wow, using all the jargon, huh?
Okay.
GSM 120, huh?
Yeah.
Matte finish. Okay.
This is super nice. Like, it's the right thickness. It's smooth. Feels, you know,
Yo, I'm actually excited.
Feels
wow.
right.
This is so cool.
it feels right. And just for all of you with your eyes, we made the icons bigger. Lots of feedback about that. Okay.
And it's organized, no?
Yeah, it's organized by asset class.
So when you unpack it, don't shuffle the deck when you unpack it.
Yes. It's already sorted for you, and what is shuffled is what should be shuffled is already shuffled for you.
You should have actually done the unboxing as the rules video.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
But that's fine. We're gonna just basically continue and do the rules
Cool.
as well. But not yet. Let's finish the unboxing. Alright, last element is our power cards and our reminder cards. Let's see how that looks. Oh, it's
Time's up.
Oh, okay, we're done. Power cards, they look cool. They're here. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. The 2026 edition of FinMaster.
Export sanction. You lose 150.
Cheers.